Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to reinstall your VPS with Linux. First, we go ahead and we log into the dashboard. So I'm already logged in, and we see here we have one service in our test account. So we click on this service and we locate and click the auto install OS button here. Then we pick the operating system. I prefer to work with Debian Linux. We pick the version of the operating system. And now comes a very important part. You'll either need to set a password or use the system generated one. Just make sure to save that password because this will be your Linux root password. Yeah, so this one here. Then we start the installation. The installation usually takes about 5 minutes. And during the installation, we are blocking SSH connections. But once the installation is ready, you're able to connect using SSH. So good luck and bye.